Welcome to Get Paid with Apps, where we review applications to help you make a little bit of money on the side. Today we're going to be talking about the S'more app, which pays you 10 cents a day just for unlocking your phone. Okay, so when you open your phone, the S'more app takes over your home screen with an ad just like this. But having this ad on there is what allows you to earn that 10 cents a day. So you can put this on your main phone and then you have to always swipe up to get rid of the screen and then move about your business with the rest of your phone. Or like I do, you can put the S'more app on a spare phone that you keep in your house and it never leaves. And then you can also load that spare phone up with a whole bunch of other passive apps that I've talked about in previous videos, and you just have a money-making phone that just sits idle in your house and does nothing. Now, in order to move beyond this screen, you just swipe up and then it goes away. For these purposes, we're going to open up the S'more app itself and take a look around, because besides the 10 points a day that it gives you, it's got a whole bunch of other stuff too. It's got a bunch of games on here that you can play, and then it's got an offer wall with other apps to download, like the Helium Mobile, the Upside app, whatever that is, free cash apps. A lot of these are other money-making apps that you can look into or wait for me to properly review them before you decide if you want them. But so you can look through these offer walls, but this is nothing different than you're going to see on a lot of apps like this. They have games, they have offers, they have surveys just like this. So it's nothing dissimilar to a lot of other apps out there. What sets it apart for me is just the 10 cents a day just for unlocking your phone. That's all that I really do with this app. If I want to do surveys or games or offers, I'll probably do them on another app. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this. I just kind of use it just for that 10 points a day. And then that's really about it for it, honestly, because there's just the games, there's the perks wall, exclusive deal, more offers. Now, if you have to get up to 500 points, so it'd be 50 days of opening up your lock screen, 10 cents a day to get to the $5 minimum that you need to cash out one of these gift cards, and that's all that it's got. It's got Amazon, GameStop, Target, Visa Reward, Walmart, and then a bunch of restaurants, clothing, fast food, CVS, Pilot, grocery stores, movie theater, Airbnb, you name it. But there isn't any PayPal or crypto or anything like that. It's literally just gift cards, $5 minimum to cash out. And then its app is only available on Android. That's going to do it for the S'more app. If you're interested in more apps, just go to getpaidwithapps.com and you'll find a whole bunch of apps there to start making money today. We'll see you in the next video.